morning, guys. It's our last full day of our trip here, and it's Sunday, and there is no one on the beach. I'm just gonna pull everything out. I'll go get the paddle boards so we can all, hang out on the beach. After that, we're gonna go to church at around 10. Chose the orange one. Got kind of close to that bird.
To make like the ground beside it all nice.
Okay, we finished our sandcastle. Okay, we're about to leave for church. Here's my dress. Well, it's my sister's dress.
Mucho hot.
What's hot? Caliente?
Mucho caliente. How could you tell? How could you tell we're American?
What? We like stick out.
Yeah.
It's not embarrassing.
Just walk elegantly.
I'm wearing my mom's giant hat for maximum shade. That's a pretty one. Look how cute. Okay, so that's the little hermit crab. You can see his little trail. Sarah's with me, but I won't show her because she doesn't want me to. Hi! We're walking to the big hotel. You can. With her boyfriend. Like, yeah, it looks like they have a pool there. They're having a little party.
Yeah, Becky! Woohoo!
It's pretty flat, like it's not even wavy right now, so you could do it.
Oh, this is cool!
Good job.
You can see all the way to the bottom.
It's so nice and flat right now. It was crazy this morning. You what? Yes. We'll just keep going. Wow, it's cool out here. It's like glass.
Glad we came out.
Yeah, me too. This is awesome. Yeah, this is really cool. Guys, morning it was just so different. It's weird how quick it can change.
Cat. Cat. Are we on video?
We're on video.
We're on video. Hi, video. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
We're done.
I'm gonna do this crap anyway.
Yeah, I'm gonna be posting for the rest of my life, so I don't care.
It's our family video.
It's our family videos.
What if I want?
Feel good?
Yes, it feels wonderful.
I kind of want to get into Yeah, it's a little too hot to be sitting just up there. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see if there's sharks. You're freaking me out. Step right underneath us. We freaked ourselves out. Not the stingrays. Did you mean to do that?
Huh?
Did you mean to do that?
No, I fell off.
I don't think that's Sarah in the pink.
No, they're under the umbrella.
Oh, okay, yeah, let's go get it. What's wrong with it? I don't want to see it. Yeah, I saw him when I was on the beach like 2 hours ago. There's some bird right here. Maybe we'll save it. What if there's like fishing net on it or something? You never know. Huh. Come on. Are you sick? Are you... I wonder what's wrong with it. Should I go put you on land? Oh. Poor little guy. He's been out here for hours, so I might just go put him on the land. And see what happens. Are you gonna take a crap on our paddleboard? Are you gonna give me a disease? That's pretty fun. This is pretty cool. You're still probably gonna die. Something's wrong with you. Having a fun rest. You can't get diseases from a bird.
Get him away from your head. He's covered in germs and bacteria.
You can't get diseases from a bird.
Oh, stingers. fishing net on him, but I think you'll die.
Bye, buddy. Bye, buddy. Oh,
You're